Hi, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'm going to show you how to cook sauteed peppers and onions on top of the stove, okay? Alright, sauteed peppers and onions coming up. Great. Alright, let me adjust the camera, we're going to go. Bye. Okay, so what I have here is the onions. You can see how I cut them up into thin slices, right? So you cut an onion in half, and then you cut that half up into small slices, okay? Not cubes, slices. Oh, I dropped that one. Let me get another one. There we go. Okay? Alright. The peppers, I have mine in a bag because when I buy them, I cut them up and put them in the freezer. That way I can have peppers at any time and they don't go bad on me. So I'm going to take it out and show you. So this is the size of the peppers. Oh, drop that one. I guess I got the dropsies today. Okay, so slice it up like that, okay, and put them in the bag and put them in the freezer, or you can have them fresh. Either way you want to do it. Alright, I buy a big bag, so I'm not going to use a big bag at one time. A bag comes with maybe 6 to 7 peppers and onions. Alright, so I have my oil in the frying pan. Let me show you how much. You see, very, very little. See it way down here at the bottom? See? See it? I'll move it. See it? That's how much. Just to coat the bottom of the frying pan. Alright, so we're going to put the onions in. It should be pretty warm. Yeah, you hear that sizzling? That's when you know it's warm. Okay, I'm going to let the onions cook first for maybe 3-4 minutes, and then I'll add the peppers. Okay? And our seasonings that we're going to use is garlic, ground garlic, pepper, and Lawry seasoning salt, okay? So we're going to use that a little later, not right this second. So we're going to let that start. I'm going to find a top and put over that so we can speed up the process. Okay, got the top. Alright, and in 3 minutes I'll be back. Okay, so while I have the onions cooking, I want to thank my friend Ruby. She gave me 2 sets of wooden spoons for Christmas, along with another gift. I want to thank her publicly. I appreciate it. And the YouTube family thanks you, okay? Alright, so let me give you the word of the day while I'm waiting on the onions. The word of the day is be yourself. Be your best. Okay, so while you're being yourself, also be your best. You know, when you're at work, you can either do a half job. You can say, hey, that ain't my job, I'm not going to do that. Or you can step up to the plate and be the best you can for the company, right? If you're at home and you're not working, be the best at home. You know, come on, get your house in order. You know, do things to help your kids so that they can have a better life. Be your best, okay? If you're a wife or a husband, be your best. Don't take it for granted that, hey, you got him or her now, you don't have to do anything. No, you have to step up to the plate continuously to keep that person, right? Be your best. When they first met you, oh, you was great. You were absolutely the best. All right? Come on, what do we have to lose by being our best? What you have to gain is a great, great person, right? Somebody can count on, somebody can depend on, somebody can look at and admire. Be your best, okay? That's the word of the day. Take that with you all day and just remember that and tell somebody else. You know, go over and tell somebody else to share the video, tell somebody else to hear this, because everybody needs to stop doing minimum and be their best. Okay? All right, so I'm gonna adjust the camera back now to the onions, and we're gonna add the peppers, okay? Okay, let's see what our onions are doing. Oh, okay, they're browning, and our oil is just about out. So we're gonna add our peppers. Here's the peppers, red sweet peppers. We're gonna add some more oil. I put my olive oil in this dispenser. It has a small top here because you can control the amount better so that you can save on your oil. Because if you're just pouring it, you really are gonna waste a lot of oil. And usually you only need a little. Okay, at this point I'm gonna put the seasoning. So I have the garlic, ground garlic. Black pepper, I like this black pepper because it's not ground up fine. It's really coarse, and you can see it and taste better. You can see how much you're putting in, and you can really taste the taste. Okay. Lawry's seasoning salt. Okay. Okay, I think I want to put a surprise in there, and we're gonna have it sauteed honey and peppers. I just told you the surprise. Sauteed peppers and onions with honey. Honey. Here's our honey. Now, what is honey gonna do? It's gonna bring a caramelized flavor and a sweet flavor to the mix. But we're gonna put that in last, okay? There's the honey. You notice it says 100% pure, raw, unfiltered honey. This is the real deal, okay? If you have honey and it doesn't say 100% pure, forget it. It's not, they mixed it with something. It's not 100% all honey, okay? Raw means they didn't do anything to it. They just simply put it in the container straight out the tree, okay? Unfiltered, they didn't do nothing to it, okay? This is a good brand. You might want to get this. This is Nature Nates, N-A-T-E-S. All right? Okay. So we're going to put the honey in last because we want it only to caramelize. Okay, I think we're good enough. I don't want it where it's limp. Okay, so here's the honey. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 squirts of honey, which will be about, I'd say, maybe 5 tablespoons. Okay, we're gonna stir that in. And we're gonna let that cook for about 2 minutes, and then we're done with that. Okay. All right, and I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, so we're back. And we're done. You notice I had my oven on the number 6, okay, which is halfway, all right? Not high, not low, medium. All right. So I'm gonna take this out and let you take a look. Oh, mess. Okay. Oh, that wasn't a good idea. I touched the stove trying to pick that piece up to clean up, and I touched my hand on the stove top. Not good. So I'm running cold water on it to cool that down real quick. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, so I touched the stove, the top of the stove, not the fire, but the grate that's over the fire, with my hand trying to pick up something that fell on the stove. Not a good idea, but we're all human, so there we go. But what I did do is I put some aloe vera. You should get this and have this in your kitchen. It says aloe vera 100% gel. Okay, you let you get that real good. Okay, and this is for sunburns, any kind of burn. You put this on there right away and it cools it right down. So as you can see, I don't have a red mark or anything like that, or any broken skin or nothing like that. So it's not a serious burn. But nevertheless, I always use precaution, okay? And you should too. Okay? Alright. So let me taste the peppers and onions with the honey on it. Okay, so here it is. Let you get a view. Okay, let me get you another view. This is the whole pan. See? How about that? Okay? Okay. So now, let me taste it so you can see. Okay. Wow. It tastes sweet, caramel, really good, and salt. It really made the peppers and onions come alive. You know, a different taste. You're gonna love it. You are gonna love it. Okay. So I already gave you the word of the day. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play. Thank you for sharing the videos. Continue to do that, please. And thank you for anybody that has subscribed, and for the new people who have subscribed. It's been a wonderful, wonderful journey serving you, and I continuously look forward to serving you even more. Okay, this is Grandma Ray. I'm out. Bye-bye.